Your body can heal at any age, and that's one of the most empowering truths you'll ever discover. Most people believe that once they hit a certain number 50, 60, 70, their body just stops responding, stops improving, and stops recovering. But the human body is far more adaptive, intelligent, and resilient than we give it credit for. Even in your later years, your muscles are constantly rebuilding, your cells are renewing, and your nervous system is learning how to communicate better. The problem isn't age itself. The problem is that we stop giving our body the tools it needs to function the way it's designed to. Cramps, stiffness, and soreness aren't signs that your body is failing. They're signs that your body is asking for support vitamins, minerals, hydration, movement, and a calmer mind. And when you respond to those signals, even small changes can create big transformations. That's why the 5-day vitamin challenge works so quickly. The moment you restore nutrients your body has been missing for years, your muscles start relaxing, your nerves stop misfiring, and your flexibility gradually returns. You begin to feel a little lighter, a little looser, and a little more in control of your body. And what's truly inspiring is that your body doesn't hold grudges. It doesn't say, "You should have taken better care of me years ago." It simply responds the moment you start nourishing it again. That means right now today you can start improving. Whether you're 55 or 85, your body still listens, still adapts, and still heals. You are not too old. You are not too late. You haven't missed your chance. As long as you are breathing, your body is capable of positive change. And this challenge is your reminder that healing is still possible, and your best days can still be ahead of you. Vitamins are the missing link behind most cramps, and once you understand this, everything starts to make sense. Those sudden, painful muscle squeezes you feel, whether in your legs, feet, or hands, aren't random at all. They're signals. Your muscles are trying to contract and relax smoothly, but without the right vitamins and minerals, that system breaks down. It's like trying to run a machine without enough oil. Eventually, something gets stuck, overheated, or jammed. For your muscles, that jam is the cramp. Magnesium, potassium, vitamin D, and the B-complex vitamins are the 4 big players behind muscle function. Magnesium helps your muscles relax. Potassium helps them contract in a smooth rhythm. Vitamin D helps your body absorb and use minerals properly. And B-complex vitamins support nerve communication, so your muscles receive clear signals instead of confused ones. When even one of these nutrients is low, everything becomes unstable. Your muscles tighten, nerves misfire, circulation slows, and suddenly a simple stretch or a nighttime movement can turn into a painful cramp. The problem is that many people, especially older adults, are unknowingly deficient in these nutrients. Modern diets don't always provide enough. Medications can drain levels. And with age, your body becomes less efficient at absorbing vitamins from food. That's why cramps become more common the older you get, not because your muscles are failing, but because your nutrient levels are. The moment you restore these vitamins, things change quickly. Muscles relax more easily, nerves calm down, blood flow improves, and the pain that once felt unpredictable starts to fade. Your body isn't broken, it's simply undersupported. And when you give it what it needs, the results can feel almost miraculous. Vitamins aren't optional. They're the foundation your muscles have been waiting for. Small daily habits transform muscle health in a way that surprises most people, because we often think healing requires something big, dramatic, or intense. But your muscles don't need perfection. They don't need hours of workouts or strict routines. What they need is gentle, consistent care, small actions you can do every day without stress or pressure. These tiny habits, added up over time, create a powerful shift in how your body feels. Think about light movement. A few minutes of stretching in the morning, a slow walk after meals, ankle circles while sitting, or standing up and sitting down a couple of times throughout the day. These little motions increase blood flow. And blood flow is everything when it comes to healing cramps. It carries oxygen to your muscles, delivers the vitamins you're taking, and helps remove toxins and stiffness. Even a short walk can wake up parts of your body that have been inactive for years. Then there's hydration, something so simple yet deeply overlooked. Muscles are mostly water. When you're even slightly dehydrated, they tighten faster, fatigue easier, and cramp more often. Drinking a few glasses of water throughout the day, or enjoying herbal tea or fruit-infused water, helps your muscles operate the way they should. Your diet also plays a role, even in the smallest ways. Adding a banana, a handful of nuts, a few leafy greens, or a piece of fish doesn't require a complicated plan, yet each one gives your muscles nutrients that support flexibility and calmness. Tiny upgrades in your meals can create big changes in your comfort. These habits are small, but their impact is enormous. Consistency teaches your body to relax, recover, and trust you again. And when you combine these simple actions with proper vitamins, your muscles begin to transform not through force, but through gentle, daily care that anyone can do at any age. Medical awareness helps you stay safe and informed, especially when you're working toward reducing cramps and improving muscle health. Many people try to push through pain or ignore symptoms because they think it's just part of getting older. But understanding what's really happening inside your body gives you power. It gives you direction. And it keeps you from guessing your way through your health journey. When cramps become frequent or severe, or when they show up alongside swelling, numbness, or changes in balance, that's your body asking for a deeper look. A doctor can run simple tests to check your vitamin levels, your circulation, your nerve health, or any underlying conditions that might be contributing to the problem. Sometimes the issue is as straightforward as a magnesium deficiency. Other times it might be related to diabetes, thyroid changes, or medication side effects. Knowing this isn't scary, it's helpful. It means you're not walking blindly. You're working with clarity. Getting medical guidance also helps you use vitamins effectively. Not everyone needs the same amounts, and not every supplement works for everybody. Your doctor can tell you which vitamins you're truly lacking, which ones are safe to take with your medications, and which combination will give you the fastest and safest results. This isn't about being sick, this is about being smart. And maybe the most important part is confidence. When you understand your health, you stop worrying about every little pain. You stop wondering if something serious is happening. You move with more assurance because you know your body better. Medical awareness isn't a burden. It's a tool. It keeps you protected, informed, and ready to make choices that support your body instead of guessing what might work. When you know better, you heal better. A positive mindset isn't just feel-good advice, it's a powerful tool that can speed up recovery, reduce muscle cramps, and strengthen overall health. Your brain and your body are connected in ways we often underestimate. When you are stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, your body releases hormones like cortisol that tighten muscles, increase inflammation, and make cramps more frequent. But when your mindset is calm, hopeful, and focused on healing, your body responds with better circulation, smoother muscle function, and faster repair. A positive mindset doesn't mean ignoring pain or pretending everything is perfect. It means choosing to focus on progress instead of problems, solutions instead of stress. When you believe your body can improve, you naturally take healthier actions, stretching more, drinking water regularly, eating the right foods, and staying consistent with movement. These small choices add up and create a powerful cycle of healing. Research consistently shows that people who practice gratitude, mindfulness, or even simple daily affirmations experience less pain, better sleep, and improved muscle recovery.